in the box itself, the holes for the attachment. This is the UK one, so you have to find the one which suits your own country. And then the pizza fin itself, which is actually quite light. Let me take it out. On the bottom it has three legs. Okay. Oven itself, this is the smaller one, so it is approximately 12, about 14 inches across. Piece of stone goes in here, and for the 12 there's only one flame, which is right at the back. For the 16, the Koda 16, I believe there's two flames right angled to each other, one on the left and then one on the back. That's it.